Getting everybody fed, man. Extra feed, you know how it is. Shit, man. Checking up on everybody, don't making sure everybody's straight. Everybody eating over here too. Sir, extra feed for everybody today. It's cold than a motherfucker. Damn, boy. Take down. But this shit ain't really like snow, fool. Look, this shit fucking nice, fool. Shit froze out like a motherfucker, man. I'm gonna get these some extra feed. I'm gonna get out of here, man. It's cold. I'm gonna cover up that hole too. I see where it came in from. I left a little gap. Sorry, I got a wood. I'm gonna put something good, man. I see that. But other than that, ain't no wind coming in, fool. So they good, man. They survived. Yeah, man. There you go, man. Get my ball head out. Get on them eggs, fool. Yeah, that's how it is. Get on them eggs. I just checked them eggs. Them eggs fertile as hell. Yeah, man. Yeah, we out of here, though.